Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to our respected and honorable panels and supervisor, which is Dr. Norida binti Muhammad. My name is Muhammad Azizi Hakimi bin Azhar. Today I will present my project, which is System of Automatic Relay Seatbelt for Passenger Car After Collision, or we can call it as the Auto Relay Seatbelt System. Next, I will present about research background of the project. First, the three-point seatbelt is being invented in 1959 by Volvo. Three-point seatbelt is being invented because it has been mandatory to every modern vehicle to improve the safety of drivers and passengers. Next is airbag. If a collision happens and the driver and the passenger are trapped in the vehicle without being able to unbuckle their own seatbelt, that is to increase the vehicle safety technology. The automatic seatbelt need to be reinvented. Next is the advantage and disadvantage of auto-release seatbelt. The advantage of auto-release seatbelt: driver and passenger can get out from the vehicle without any help. Next is higher safety technologies, and lastly is less people getting stuck in their vehicle. The disadvantage of auto-release: the price of car will be increased, more complex system will be added to the car, and lastly the mass of the car will be increased. After that is problem statement and objective. Problem statement. During a crash, the seatbelt retractor are locked because it needs to protect the driver and passengers from being harmed. Second, the system of the seatbelt is error, which lead the seatbelt to be stuck. Third is the driver and passengers was unable to exit the vehicle after a collision. Objective of this project is: first, to design the auto-release car using input of airbag and gyroscope. Second, to develop the auto-release seatbelt system and program the microcontroller for releasing the seatbelt. And lastly is to analyze the parameter, time, and performance of the auto-release seatbelt system. Study. First, microcontroller programming using Proteus like professional software and Arduino software. Second, changing the seatbelt system. And second, to create an auto-release system. Third, the seatbelt system is compatible with N-button release seatbelt. And lastly is the output from the seatbelt system must come when the airbag is fully deployed. Literature review. First, the author is Kanan N, Harish N V, and Nikhil N S. Year of the thesis is 2021. Title of the thesis is IoT-based design of automatic seatbelt system for vehicle. The finding that I found in the thesis is it design and improvise three-point seatbelt and clamping system, which include control relay seatbelt buckle and sensor using a accelerometer, gyroscope, impact sensor, and seatbelt releasing system. The advantage of the system is passengers can escape from a crash vehicle as fast as possible. And second is the system is compact and small in size and low cost design. The disadvantages of the system is no parameter, which is time delay, found in the system. Second, the author is Vivekanandan and Kingsley Rufus, Baradupati, Sabarinan, and Jaya Surya. The year of the thesis is 2019. The title of the thesis is ISSN number Automatic Seatbelt Relay System. The finding is the emergency relay system include an accelerometer sensor, a gyroscope sensor, a developer board, and a solenoid actuator. Seatbelt release when the vehicle is stationary in safe orientation, and on-board is triggered for 5 seconds. The advantages of the system is system check gyroscope and timer before release the seatbelt, and second, this gyroscope monitors the rotation of vehicle. Third is the author is Sarazin. Year is 2014. The title of the project is Patent Application Publication. Uh, the finding in the project is 5 seconds after impact for the time delay. The advantages of the project is designed to restrain both driver and passengers during a crash. Lastly is the thesis is at 2019. The title of the thesis is United States Patent. The finding in this thesis is first 10 until 50 second time delay, impact sensor installed in front and rear inside bumper of the vehicle, and lastly is additional sensor installed on the undercarriage side of the vehicle. The advantages of the system is the integrated circuit is configured to trigger the servomotor engagement release after a predetermined time delay to make sure the seatbelt does its jobs. Next is methodology of the project. This is the methodology for the project overview. First, we start at the preliminary study, which is we study the existing three-point seatbelt system, and next is we researching the way to redesign the three-point seatbelt system. Next, we find the three-point seatbelt system design to redesign the system and the electric circuit of the seatbelt using Proteus X Professional. And we will do the programming microcontroller using the Arduino IDE software. Next, we design the auto release seatbelt system, and if we fail to do it, we will redesign the system and the electric circuit again, and we will program the microcontroller using the Arduino IDE software again until we will succeed to create the auto release seatbelt system. After that, we will test the design to analyze the data and the result to do it discussion, and we will end the project. Next is the flowchart of methodology of the proposed system. First, the system will start at the airbag deployed by the impact sensor will sense a crash from the vehicle, and next is it will goes to the accelerometer sensor to send the vehicle completely stop. If it doesn't send a vehicle completely stop, it will repeat the process until it will do so. And next is gyroscope sensor will detect the safe orientation of the vehicle. If it doesn't detect the safe orientation, it will repeat the process until it finds the safe orientation of the vehicle. And after that, the sensor will trigger the timer delay for 5 seconds, which is to make sure the airbag is fully deployed. Next, the microcontroller will actuate the auto release seatbelt and process the data that given from all the sensor and the timer delay. Next, the seatbelt is open. The next subtopic is experimental setup. First, the impact collision sensor will be installed in front of the vehicle because it need to trigger the airbag to deploy. Second, the accelerometer and gyroscope sensor will be installed under the front seat. It is because it is closer to the seatbelt at the driver and the front passenger, and it also closer to the and at the front airbag. We can shake the car to test the operation of the sensor And third is the Arduino Uno will be set up by the Arduino IDE software. The outcome from this project is first, the seatbelt will automatically release when the airbag deployed as a first input. All the sensor is work. First, accelerometer sensor is complete will detect the completely stopped car. Second, gyroscope sensor will sense the vehicle is in a stationary and a safe orientation. Next is all the sensor will trigger the time delay for 5 seconds. And lastly is the seatbelt will be released. Last content is overall project plan. This is the overall project plan for the project. All the project will be submitted at the week 14.